In today's video, we are at Amber Cove in the beautiful Dominican Republic. We're going to take a look at a shore excursion that's offered in Amber Cove's Dominican Republic. But first, one last look at the magnificent Mardi Gras, our home away from home for a week. The Amber Cove shore excursion we'll be exploring are the cabana rentals, which Carnival offers 4 different options. To begin, the spacious Grand Cabana. Then the Ocean Cabanas, both which are seated right in the Atlantic Ocean. Next, we have the Hillside Cabana for privacy and views. And finally, the Poolside Cabana, saving the best for last. All of these cabanas have pros and cons and can easily be booked on the Carnival website. The prices range from $500 for a Hillside Cabana up to $1,750 for a Grand Cabana. We were actually really fortunate on our cruise on the Mardi Gras because when trying to book this excursion ahead of time, it was actually sold out. So the shore excursions desk was able to call over to the Carnival Freedom and reserve one of the cabanas as they are limited for us to be able to use. Checking in for your cabana is super simple. You'll take the ticket that you received for your shore excursion. You'll walk through off the pier, maybe take a rickshaw if you don't want to walk the full distance, and then you'll head over to Zone 2 or whichever zone is listed on your excursion ticket. You'll check in, they'll ask you how many Wi-Fi passwords you need, as you can have up to 8 guests in the Poolside Cabana, and then they'll show you over to way, and you'll have an attendant who will take care of you for the entire day. So this is a first look at the Poolside Cabana. It is absolutely gorgeous day. We were here in November and could not complain about the weather. You'll see the area out front has some beautiful lounge chairs that are padded, and they will bring you an umbrella if you need it throughout the day. Also, you'll see the hammock. Pro tip, make sure to use that early as the sun does start to become very hot in that area later on. So let's talk about specifically what is included when you get a Poolside Cabana. So you'll see this interior area that is beautiful and it is air conditioned, so it's nice to get out and beat the heat. There are some snacks that are included, and you get to overlook the poolside. On the top level of the Poolside Cabana, you do receive 2 padded loungers as well with an umbrella, and there's also a misting station. You'll also see that we had a couple of floats that we could use if we wanted to inside of the pool. While food and alcoholic drinks are not included in the cabana rental, one of the benefits is having a dedicated server who will take your orders and provide you service throughout the day. The cabana does come stocked with bottles of water and soda and some candy and snacks as well. Those are included. Now let's take a look and explore everything that's included. Here's a shot on the way to the restrooms, also some of the beautiful views that you can walk around and see all the way to the top of the island. So inside, included with the Poolside Cabana, you do get water slide, unlimited water slide use. You just let them know which cabana you're in and they'll give you a wristband. The water slides were absolutely amazing. A lot of fun. They have one that's enclosed and one that's got an open top. And then also what's included is the zip line. You can do tandem zip line. You can ride down with someone else, or you can go down by yourself and just enjoy the sights. As you can see, Mr. Saleaway took a couple trips down and the views on his ride were absolutely amazing. You do have to be 8 years old to ride the zip line, so unfortunately our girls could not try it, but he said it was really good, and the stop at the end is just a little aggressive, so be prepared. So as you can see, that is our full day at Amber Cove. We docked from 9 to 5, and we actually probably were at the cabana from 9:30 to 4. It was an absolutely beautiful day. I would highly recommend that anyone, if you stop at Amber Cove, that you get the Poolside Cabana. You can see we were a little tired by the end, so we did take a rickshaw back to the boat. And then finally, just to talk about it, there is a kids area at Amber Cove, but we did not utilize that. There are a lot of large pool areas and something for everyone to enjoy while they're there. Make sure to let us know if you've tried one of the cabanas at Amber Cove. If you like this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. Also, if you'd like for me to help you plan your next carnival vacation, make sure to check out our website at thesaleaways.com. Until next time.
This is Mr. Saleaways signing off.